Hello YouTube, welcome back to Multitool School. Today I want to take a look at a multi-tool called the Buck Xtract. It comes in a few different models. This was the original model, the basic tool. It is a one-hand opening knife along with pliers, and it's designed primarily to use the tools with one hand, or to open them with one hand. Now, the one that I really like the best is the LED model. It's a Buck Xtract LED, and it has this light built into it right here on the side. A good strong LED light. Turn it on and off right here, and otherwise it has the same tool set. It has a very smooth one-hand opening blade. It is a partially serrated blade, kind of a standard knife blade. I'll show you how this knife blade compares to the Leatherman Wave. So here's the two blades. They're shaped somewhat the same and about the same size, or the same length anyway. That's the Leatherman Wave, and this is the Buck Xtract. Now, of course, in addition to the knife blade, it has a liner lock. In addition to the knife blade, there's this pair of pliers. Now, these pliers are probably not what I would call heavy-duty pliers. Here's your Leatherman Wave again. The Wave pliers are clearly larger. I would say probably more of a heavy-duty tool. As far as the pliers go, these pliers on the Xtract are spring-loaded. They're pretty good pliers, just perhaps maybe not for they're just not in the same category as, say, for example, the Leatherman Wave or the Leatherman Super Tool 300. Here's the bottle opener and can opener, and similar to the knife, it has a liner lock on it. Pretty nice. Going to hold it in place very solidly. You also have this feature right here. There's a push button that's going to allow you to slide out your screwdriver blade here, the screwdriver on this end, and push it in the other direction, and it gives you this Phillips screwdriver. And the driver is locked in place until you push this button to release it and retract it back into position here. So, it's the Buck Xtract LED model. This light is going to illuminate the area that your knife blade is pointed in. So it's a task light. It's going to illuminate the area that you're actually performing the work with the knife blade. pretty good deal. Now, one other feature that is kind of a hidden feature, you might say. This Phillips screwdriver right here just happens to be about the same size as the screwdriver on many of the Leatherman tools. And what that does is it allows you to use this Leatherman removable bit driver. It fits like this, firmly into place, and it gives you this bit driver. And that, of course, allows you to use any standard bit so get you one of these Leatherman removable bit drivers. Fits in there really good. Of course, I keep these in the ultimate bit kit. You've seen one of my previous videos. So, that is a look at the Buck Xtract LED. See you next time.